Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fade out your audio in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have added an audio track, which I've recorded on my voice, which just sounds like me going "aw," and you'll pretty much hear it if I have desktop sound recording on. I'm not sure if I do, but you might hear it, you might not. But anyway, to fade it out, we're going to be using keyframes, and that is a very easy thing to do once you have the audio in your timeline track. Then you want to go to the edit screen and then select your audio, and as you can see here in the top right under the inspector, we have the audio and we have the volume slider. Now first, what you're going to want to do, move your slider over to a part of the video where you want to start fading out, and let's say I want to start fading out here. We're going to keep the volume at 0, or the volume change at 0, and then we're going to click the keyframe and create a keyframe there. Then we're gonna go and drag this all the way to the end of the audio, and then just lower the volume down all the way, and now this will be keyframed and it'll create an end point. And now all the way from over there, it's gonna start fading out the audio. For example, if I play it now, you might be able to hear it, but as you can see now, it's just fading out, and now it faded out completely because the drop off is way too fast and way too big. But yeah, that's pretty much how you fade out your audio. You just select where you want to start fading out, create a keyframe, go to the end of where you want it to fade out, and lower the volume completely, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.